Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making this almighty milky donuts, the trendy milky donuts. Today is going to be fun. So if today is your first time of coming across my video, I say a big thank you. Thank you for coming to watch my video. To my returning viewers, I say a big thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you so much for keeping this channel on. Okay, and if you are here and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. So guys, let's dive in. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is to sieve this flour. I've already measured it, so I'm going to sieve it right now. I'm also going to leave all the ingredients I used in the description box. Ensure to check it out, okay? So I have sieved this flour. The next thing I'm going to do right now is to add salt, nutmeg, sugar, milk, yeast, butter, egg, and I'm also going to be adding some flavor. Okay, you can use any flavor of your choice, but I'm using vanilla flavor here. So I'm going to mix this together with my hands. If you are not comfortable using your hands, you can use your spatula to do this, okay? So guys, I'm done mixing this together. So the next thing I'll be adding now is warm water, not hot water or cold water. This is to make sure that your yeast proof, okay? So you are going to add warm water and not hot or cold water. So you mix this together until it forms a dough, okay? So I'm going to transfer this to a work surface. Ensure to use flour to dust your work surface so that it will not be sticky too much. So you are going to knead this. This is where the donut actually come from. You knead it until your dough is like this, okay? It takes a long time to achieve this process, so don't be in a hurry. Ensure to mix it very well until your dough is bouncing like this, okay? It takes strength to do this. If you are using your hand, this take up to 20 to 25 minutes, but if you are using mixer, you can mix for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? So your dough should be stretchy like this, okay? So right now I will just allow this dough to rest for some seconds before I continue. So after 5 to 10 minutes, this is what I have. The dough has rested, so I'm just going to pat this and cut it into smaller pieces the way I want to roll it, okay? This is how I cut mine. I'm used to this process, so if you are not used to it and you want to say and you want to make sure that everything is into equal size, make sure you use scale to measure it, okay? You scale it, but I don't need to scale this. So right now I want to roll it out a bit, just a bit, okay? I want to roll it out a bit before putting it together. But if you don't want to go through this process, it's just for you to use your hand to knead it and roll and put it into this circle like this. Okay, just make sure it's like this. You fold it. Kindly pay attention to the way I'm doing this. Make sure you fold in, continue to fold in like this, continue like this until you remove the excess. Okay, you clock it. The reason why I'm doing this is to make sure that when you are frying it, it does not open. The donut will not open. Just continue like this, fold in, and make sure you clock it very, very well so that it will not open. Okay, so I'm still going to repeat the same process. This is how I'm going to do every of this dough that is here. Okay. So guys, this is how everything, I'm done with everything. I will just cover this to rest for some minutes before frying. Just cover it like this, allow it to rest for some minutes before you start frying. It has to double in size, kind of. It's time to start frying, guys. Okay, look at this. It's looking so beautiful already. I'm so excited, like you can even hear it from my voice. So let's try this. Okay, you put oil on fire. When it's kind of hot, you put the dough inside. Please ensure that you fry this in a very low heat. Reduce your gas to below so that it can cook very well. You can see it's big in size, so you don't want it to get burnt or not cooked, so you reduce your heat very well. So guys, one side is brown and I want to flip to the other side, so ensure to do this gently. Can you see this? This donut is giving me joy. Flip everything at a go, just like this. Ensure that you are doing this gently. Do it gently, guys. It's looking so beautiful. The donut is coming out so beautiful. Look at this. Wow. So this is how you are going to fry every batch until you are done. Okay, so it's time to remove. Can you see my own also formed that white line, even though it's not so much, but I like it like this. It's very fine. It's looking so beautiful. Yes guys, we are done frying everything. Look at it. So it is time to coat this in powder milk. Okay, I'm using powder milk to coat all of this, and ensure that you do this while the donut is still hot, because it will not stick when it's cold. So just make sure that you do this when it's still hot. You can see me passing one donut. The reason be that somebody want to use sugar for that particular one. That is why I'm skipping it. So just do all the donuts like this. Wow, it's coming out so beautiful, right? Yes guys, this is it. Our Milky Donut is ready. And for those that like the milk inside that donut, all you need to do is to just use something to open the side of this donut, then mix your condensed milk and powder milk together and pipe it in. My children does not like that milk inside the donut, so that's why I did not bother applying it here. So just do what works for you. This is what my family love, and this is what I have just given to them. So if you are the type that like putting milk inside the donuts, then you can go ahead and do it. It's not hard. Like I said, it's just a combination of milk and condensed milk and powdered milk. If you are still watching to this time and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like my video, comment. Your comment will go a long way to help me. Do you like that milk inside the donuts, or you like it like this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm glad that you stayed up to this time. May God continue to bless you, all my subscribers. May God continue to bless and honor you. See you in my next video. Bye.